Hi everyone. Yes, now this is what we did last time, making the shito. Remember we did the shito and I said we can have the shito with wache and jollof or white rice. You can add sauce or spinach if you want. So this is the conclusion when we had the shito, when we made the shito. Remember we did the shito with the ginger, onions and all that oil. We blend them and then we mix them together and we made a lovely shito, if you can remember. So the end result, you can use the shito for wache. This is wache. That's a lovely wache. Oh, and then jollof and then white rice. And we have spinach. You can have the spinach and then jollof if you want. Spinach and jollof is also nice. And then you can have sauce to add. And then we have wache here, which is also nice with the, it's very nice if you have wache. And this is what you can have with. And then we have the shito here. Shito is very nice. So let's scoop some shito to the top of the wache. Today I'm having it with rice because I had some with wache. You see, and then you can have salad. You can make salad with it. You can add any vegetable to it. And then you have fish.